Hello, this is basic framework for our application. You can see I just did a simple web form for you to test it, and you can see that this is parameters. There is a serial number, the device ID. Of course, the device ID is optional. And then click the post, and it will try to call the service and get the response. You can see that this is my local host. I uh, created an application called GSX. This is the GSX index page. Okay, so let's go to the folders, and most of the pages are your previous the pages you sent me, and I added a page called GSX index, and in this we can check this page. In this page, it includes two files. One is under the source folder, the GSX API, and the other one is the config file. And the config file used to to do some configurations, such as your database connection if you need it. And the more important and related to our program is the account, username, password, environment, region, and time zone. These are some parameters used for the service. And the most functions are in the GSX API PHP file. And I defined a class called GSX API, and in the construction it will connect to the WSDL, and of course I just do and get the session ID is just call the authentication and get the response. And for the function we have is to fetch the iOS activation details. So this is the function we will call, and it will send the request with the user session ID and the two other parameters. One is the serial number, and the other one is the alternate device ID. After call the fetch iOS activation, get the result. It will check the result response parameter response and get all of the fields. Here is to get all of the fields. So at the next work, you can save these field value into your local database or anything you want to handle. Okay.